Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you? There is a lot of talk about the technical skills you need in Canada. However, I thought why not talk about the non-technical skills for a change. So here are the top 3 non-technical skills you should have if you're moving to Canada. The first is time management, especially for international students who have to juggle lectures, assignments, part-time jobs, house chores, etc. You will come across a lot of time-bound tasks like classes where you have to be present at a particular time, let's say 8 in the morning, and same goes for your part-time job, where assignments do have deadlines. Personally, I used to assign days to specific tasks, like I had a completely free day on Tuesday, so I would do the laundry, do my cleaning for the week, and cook for the next 3 to 4 days. My classes and part-time job were on a set schedule, and I would try to get the assignments done after my class. And as I mentioned in this video, that the majority of assignments are group projects, so you get to work on a part of the entire project. This can be a nightmare if your group members are not very sufficient. In general, you need to learn to manage your time well, something you become accustomed to as you work on your schedule. Number 2 is another skill that we often overlook as an immigrant, but is extremely important here in Canada. This is something that several of my guests and I have discussed a lot on my channel: networking. Here's the thing, you have to start from the scratch when moving to a new country, in the sense that you leave everything behind, your family, your friends, relatives, and you come here by yourself to start a new chapter in your life. As a result, you make new friends, make new connections, you meet people you can look up to when you're down, you meet people you can go out with, you meet people for just a casual conversation, you meet people who can refer you to a job, and so on. And if I just take an example of a job, let's say there are 100 candidates for a job posting that you're interested in. And if I refer you to HR saying that, hey, I know this guy, he's great, I think you should consider at least looking at the resume and talk to him once, and that's it. This will save some time for HR or the person accountable for hiring, and there you go, you might end up getting hired. But networking is not just, hey, I see you work in ABC company, I'm interested in the position, can you refer me? Networking is making connections. It's an art. You don't want to sound annoying, creepy, and there's a very popular Hindi word, cheap. You can leverage LinkedIn, go to networking events, join a club or an association that you're interested in. I remember a friend of mine who used to play cricket here in Canada. He joined a cricket club, met a lot of people, and he was referred for a job by the person he met there. I can just go on and on with networking the whole day, so let's just move on to our third skill. So our third skill is something that is inevitable no matter wherever you go. Any guesses? It's the communication. How you speak, how you present yourself, how you approach someone, how good of a listener you are, your confidence, etc. I feel that you can get hired for your technical knowledge and skills, but in order to grow and move up, you need a good command of your soft skills. For students, if we talk about the assignments, there are times that you need to present it in front of the class. Certain job profiles like project manager, marketing, business analyst, etc. require a great communication skills. And this is what I mean by great communication skills. Not excellent English or a wide vocabulary like this guy. It's more about being confident while you speak and ensuring you're able to convey your message to the other person. And I know, coming from a country where English is not our first language, it's a bit of a struggle, especially understanding the accent and slangs they use here. However, you develop your skills both by listening and speaking, so make sure to surround yourself in an environment that allows you to practice your communication skills. Personally, I used to talk a lot with my coworkers, customers, and also joined a public speaking club, that is Toastmasters, and it really helped. That's all for today, guys. I hope you find it helpful. Don't be too hard on yourself. I wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.